Hello, my dear friends. Today, I will make such wonderful cauliflowers. For them, we will need wooden skewers, cotton buds, cotton pads, colored paper, glue, paints. On the skewers, I marked the size we need. About 15 to 17 centimeters. I marked the place of the cut with pieces and broke it off according to size. The uneven edges were treated with a nail file. I wrapped the skewer with green paper. I painted one edge of the cotton swab and cut it off. The blanks are made, and now we are collecting our flour.